Usually in my videos I speak in Malayalam language, but today I decided to speak English because I know many people from other states are also facing this issue. Because when we use this 3.4 audio jack to connect it to the phone, it won't work in most cases. So I was searching online for a solution and I couldn't find any, but I found a hack. You can say it is a hack because I tried connecting some wires there and here, so somehow it worked. I will show you how I made it work. So first turn on the receiver and one transmitter, then connect 3.4 audio jack to the phone and open a voice recorder application. In the other side of the 3.4 jack, that is C connector, you have to connect the transmitter instead of the receiver. Then start recording and it will actually record the voice. While this is still recording, remove the transmitter and connect the receiver. Now it will keep recording. You can actually close the voice recorder and open a camera application or video recorder application. Also, while doing all these things, if you connect the headphones, you can actually hear is it recording or not. So if this is working for your phone also, please let everyone know in the comments.